If you go onto Reddit, Twitter, or any tech forum right now and ask, which website builder should I use? You will get screamed at by 1,000 developers telling you, don't use Wix, you must use WordPress. WordPress is real. Everything else is a toy. I am here to tell you that for 99% of you watching this video, that advice is dead wrong. Those people are giving you advice from the perspective of a software developer, not a business owner. There is a massive difference. A developer loves tinkering with code, managing servers, and debugging scripts. A business owner wants to make money. Let's talk about the reality of the WordPress trap. People tell you WordPress is free. That is a lie. The software is free, but to make it actually function, you need to buy hosting, you need to buy a premium theme, you need to buy an SSL certificate, and you need to pay for about 5 different plugins to handle security, backups, and forms. But the real cost isn't money, it is your time. With WordPress, you are self-hosting. That means you are the mechanic. When a plugin updates automatically at 3 a.m. and breaks your checkout page, you have to fix it. When your site gets hacked because you didn't update your security patch, you have to deal with the fallout. I have seen dozens of entrepreneurs quit before they ever made their first sale because they spent 3 weeks trying to fix a PHP error on their WordPress header instead of finding customers. This is why, for service businesses, agencies, and dropshipping beginners, I recommend Wix. Think of WordPress like owning a car where you have to change the oil, rotate the tires, and rebuild the engine yourself. Think of Wix like using Uber. You just get in and go. Wix is what we call a closed ecosystem, similar to Apple, because they control the hosting, the software, and the security. Everything just works. You don't have to worry about a plugin conflicting with your theme. You don't have to worry about your site crashing because you got too much traffic. They have a team of 500 engineers ensuring your site stays up so you can focus on selling. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The tech brothers will tell you, but Wix has bad SEO. You can't rank on Google. This is outdated advice from 2015. It is a myth. In 2026, Wix has excellent SEO infrastructure. They integrate directly with Google Search Console. They have instant indexing, and their site speed is fantastic. Google does not care which CMS you use. They care about the quality of your content. I know plenty of businesses running on Wix that outrank WordPress sites because the owner spent their time writing great articles instead of updating plugins. We also need to talk about the design capabilities. In the past, drag-and-drop builders were clunky. Today, the Wix editor is arguably the most powerful design tool on the market for non-coders. You can literally drag an image to the exact pixel you want it to sit at. You can create complex animations, parallax scrolling effects, and mobile-optimized layouts in minutes. To do the same thing on WordPress, you would need to hire a developer for $1,000 or learn CSS coding yourself. Ultimately, business comes down to opportunity cost. If you spend 10 hours this weekend fighting with your website's backend, that is 10 hours you did not spend calling suppliers, running ads, or closing deals. Your website is just a tool. It is a container for your offer. Do not fall in love with the tech. Fall in love with the speed of implementation. If you want a website that looks like a $10,000 custom build but takes 1 afternoon to set up, click the Wix link below. Stop playing developer and start being a CEO. Get your site live before dinner tonight.